तो बच्चों आज हम क्लास 9th का सीबीएसई बोर्ड का सर्किल चैप्टर लेंगे। सर्किल चैप्टर इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है और थोड़ा समझने वाला भी है। सबसे बड़ी जो प्रॉब्लम आती है सर्किल में वो एक्चुअली सर्किल के साथ साथ ट्रायंगल और एंगल का भी एप्लीकेशन होते हैं, तो इसलिए आपको ट्रायंगल्स और एंगल्स की जानकारी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग आ जाते हैं कि डेफिनीशन ऑफ सर्किल। ये मैंने खुद ही अपनी लिखी है डेफिनीशन, क्योंकि अभी तक डेफिनीशन बहुत क्लियर नहीं थी। तो लेट्स रीड एन एंडलेस लाइन whose लास्ट पॉइंट्स मीट ईच अदर एंड एवरी पॉइंट इज ऑन द सेम लाइन डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए फिक्स पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड सर्किल. The fixed point is called center of the circle and the distance of the center to the points on the circle point on the line is called radius. अब हमारे आते हैं कि let us brief कि इसमें जो बना है वो एक बार देख लीजिए. For example, this is center, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius. You can draw any number of radius from a center on the point of the circumference. This is radius. So C is center and R is radius. Okay. Or the important thing is circumference. This is this whole, I mean this line, this is whole line. I told you earlier 2 points, any 2 points, this is meeting here. So this whole line, the I mean non-linear line is a circumference, and this circumference is equal to to 2 pi r or pi into diameter. We will discuss about the diameter in next chapter. So now come to the second important theorems. We will come to the important theorems. Before going to the theorem, let us remind you that all of you are aware with radius, diameter, secant, arc, chord, circumference, tangent. This is radius, you know, in the last page. This is diameter, just double of the radius is diameter passing to the center, and this is obviously two edges, a line passing to the center and touching 2 points on the circumference is called diameter. Now chord touching, a line touching on the two sides of the circumference. Here is very important thing. Radius is not a chord, but diameter is a chord because it is touching at 2 points. Secant is a line which crosses the circumference from two sides. Secant, and very important, which will come in future, tangent. Tangent is a line which touches a point on a circumference of 1 point. Although it seems that there are so many points being touched, but tangent is a line which touches at 1 point on circumference, and if you draw a line from center, it is always perpendicular. If you draw a line from here, this is here, then you will find it is always perpendicular. So anyways, and this is, I have already told you, this is circumference 2 pi r, whereas the radius is and pi is 2 pi upon 22 upon 7. Now come to the third one. This is, now come to the theorems. Two circles are congruent if the radius are equal. Radii means radius for I mean the plural form of radius is radii. so are equal. I mean, this and these two triangles are equal because R and R dash are equal. Not equal, they are congruent. Congruent is simple. I mean, you may say equal because circle has nothing more than a circumference. In triangle, you have to prove that this line, this angle, that line, that angle. But here there is only circumference which is superimposed on the other circles. So this is just equal circles are congruent circle. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. I told you this is a chord, this is chord, and they subtend. I mean, this if equal, I mean A, B and A dash B are equal, then angle A and angle A dash are also equal, and vice versa. If a center has the same angle, two circles on the same circle. If center has the same angle, then chords are equal. So if A and A dash are equal, then chord A, B and chord A dash B dash also equal. If two arcs of circle are equal, then corresponding chords are equal. Arc, this is A, B shown in this way, and this A dash B dash shown in this way. If they are equal, then chord A, B and the straight line chord A dash B dash. I mean, this is obvious. It looks like this. These are equal. Number 5 is vice versa. Perpendicular from the center on chord of a circle bisect the chord. If you drop a perpendicular from a circle on a chord, it bisects the chord, and just reverse. Bisector of a chord is a perpendicular from a center. This is important, you must remember this. Now coming to the eighth theorem. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center and vice versa. If the chords are at the equal distance, then they are equal. Only one circle can pass through the three nonlinear. If you draw three nonlinear lines, only one circle can pass. There cannot be more than one circle which pass through the nonlinear points. For a circle in two chords, larger chord is nearer to center, which I have told you earlier. Vice versa, chord nearer to center is larger than the chord farther from the center. Mean diameter is the largest chord because it is passing to the center. If two arcs of a congruent circle are congruent, then corresponding chords are equal. It is just like in the same circle. If the chords are equal, then and it put so many circles in the same way. Congruent means the same circle. Then chords are also equal. Vice versa. 13. Equal chords of congruent circle are at equal distance from respective center. I told you earlier. Vice versa. 15 means chords of congruent circles are equal distance equal. Equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at the center, which I told you in the previous theorem, and vice versa of 17. These are the theorems which are important. You just go through them, and we will discuss about the numericals and problems in the next episode. Thank you and have a good day.